Okay, today we're going to finish up the stairs and finish the railing. And Casey, is Casey going to help Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to do some railing up here and around there, and then we'll finish this. And I'll show you this. I got some more free firewood. I got a truckload of like year-old birch there, and then I got 3 more loads of apple tree, so that's going to be nice. I think I actually might split all that and put it aside and just use it for cooking on open fires or in a smoker or something, because it's really nice stuff. Looks like it's drying up pretty fast too, actually. So it was just cut about a week ago, but it's really dense too, you know. Let me find a piece here. So this piece, I'll show you. This piece here, that probably weighs, I don't know, 7 pounds, maybe 10. But we're gonna finish up the railing, get rid of all this. I didn't want to throw any of this stuff out yet in case I need some pieces for the railing, but I don't think I'll need any. And then we're gonna build a little dog pen for Rat Dog over there, Conchita. So we're gonna use some 2x4s. And okay, so what we're gonna do first is get this post plumb, and then we're gonna get our railing on, and then we'll put the other posts on, and it's pretty much the same procedure on the other side, just a little more angle cutting there. And it's a nice day today. It's probably about 23 degrees Celsius, so summer's coming. A couple more weeks, first day of summer will be here, which will be nice. But it was in the 25 to 30 Celsius all last week. Okay, we're all done up the railings. The next step, we'll have to go get a gallon of the brown stain and restain everything that's new. That pretty straightforward railings. I think most people that can use a skill saw and tape measure can build them. Of course, I need to do some cleanup, stain everything, and then I think I'll put some pavers down in front here. Probably come out a foot or two this way. And I might rent a big drum sander and give that thing a good like 40 grit sand and restain the deck. So there it is. This is about a 36-degree angle. Okay, and we're done. I didn't use much out of that old pile except for a few things here. So if you have any questions about building stairs, let me know. Be sure, more than welcome to help you. So these are quite basic stairs and railings. I've built some very fancy ones out of cedar and teak and ipe, but those kind of materials just aren't in our budget at the moment. So pressure treated it is, and stain, and you maintain it every 4 or 5 years. It'll last you a long time. So the return on investment is really good for pressure treated decks. So you just got to maintain them every, I'm gonna say, 5 years. Give them, go around, sand them, caulk them, and restain them. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up button, please.